Hey guys, a very good evening and a warm welcome to Up Close and Us. This is me, Shukarna, starting with vlog number 1. So, me and my husband have come up with this channel last night itself. তো ভ্লগিংটা হঠাৎ শুরু করলাম, ইচ্ছে হলো, ইন্সপায়ার্ড হয়ে গেলাম কয়েকজন ইউটিউব ব্লগার্সদের দেখে। আচ্ছা, মনে হলো যে এভরিডে লাইফটা লেট আস শেয়ার among our near and dear ones and spread it, and see if we have a good attempt at being successful YouTubers. Now, we are learning, right? We are not trained professionals here. We are learning. This is our very first time. করছি ক্রিয়েট, ভাবছি কিছু আইডিয়াস মাথায় আছে। আজকে ফার্স্ট টাইম চলে এলাম আমি। আমার শরীরটা একটু খারাপ। আই হ্যাভ গট আ বিট অফ কোল্ড। ইট ইজ বিকজ অফ দ্য টেম্পারেচার চেঞ্জেস দ্যাট হ্যাপেন্ড ওভার দ্য লাস্ট 2 days। একটু ডিপ্রেশন হয়েছিল কলকাতায়, খুব বৃষ্টি পড়ছিল, তো এসি ফ্যান চালিয়ে আমার ঠান্ডাটা লেগে গেছে। হাউ এভার আই এম ডুইং ওয়েল, সো ডোন্ট ওয়ারি। আচ্ছা, সো আজকে আমি কি করেছি, আজকে আই অ্যাম deciding on filming a vlog which is about a mini kurta haul, right? Kurtas that I got from Myntra. I will be wearing and I'll be showing you and sharing my feedback about it. Now, what kind of vlogs will we bring? We will bring something that we relate to in our regular everyday lives, right? So sometimes I'll be sharing some cooking recipes with you. Sometimes I'll be sharing my short-term travels with you. Okay, so looking forward to making this family bigger and bigger each day. Thank you so much, people. Already 33 subscribers within even less than 24 hours, and so many views on the 2 videos that we uploaded last night and this afternoon, right? Thank you. Looking forward to your support. সবাই ভালো থেকো, করোনাটাকে আমাদের জয় করতেই হবে। We have a lot that we need to, start with, lot of projects, lot of good work that we need to do, right? And we can't let the good things end before, it's our time to end it, okay? So on that note, let us share a lot of love, positivity, and respect. This is the first one that I got, right? I'll be baby pink color, or you can call it a pastel pink. The back is this way. It has sort of a Chinese collar to it. You see, the collar has a lilen, which is, I would call turquoise, if not any shade of green. And it has got white, pink, and turquoise color. The self-design's done, if you can see it. Yeah, so at the moment I'm pairing it up with my jeggings. It has got a decent length also. I am 5'5" as in 5'5" is my height, and it is touching my knees. A little below the knees is the length for this particular kurta. It is 100% cotton ring and Anouk kurta. This is a shirt styled kurta. This is again a pure cotton one. You see the sleeves have a lot of volume in here as you are gradually coming towards the fingers of your hands, right? This is perfect for a casual day wear. If you have a lunch to go to, you might feel bloated after having a good lunch, right? Especially with the pujas nearing. You're free to relax in it. This has got this checkered pattern, right? And it has a very short collar in here. See. So I love it personally because this seems that it will be my go-to kurta. It's along, side pockets along. So if you want to, slip in your phone, your purse, if you're going out for a walk or going for a short drive, this would be actually fine. And this is also a very summer-friendly one. The cotton is pure and you have a loose fit. I hope I've not been boring you. Well, an amateur learning the tips and tricks, learning it hands-on. So we look forward to your feedback, your support, and please do let us know what we can, improvise, how we can go ahead with making the vlogging experience different and enjoyable for you. So without wasting any further time, this is the third kurta from Aurelia. This is again a cotton kurta but has sort of a linen finish to it. This is a beautiful off-white color, right? To it we see there is checks pattern, and along these checks we have 2 shades of green. These are prints, okay? So this is a lighter green, this is a darker green, right? This has got again a mandarin collar, if you call it, and these buttons, which are actual buttons, not false buttons. This is again serving, for me till the knee length of mine, and it has got a very nice fit. You can pair this up with a green cigarette pant, any of these two colors, right? And wear some silver jewelry to it to add to the look. Looking too much of a Ginni with this middle parting that I've done. I like to feel Ginni sometimes. Anyway, my friends and folks here subscribed to this channel would relate, some of you. Okay, I would not be taking their names, of course, but do write in the comment section if you're thinking that yes, I'm looking a typical Ginni with the middle parting hair that I've done for today. Rather for this particular, kurti. So this is kurta number 4. Okay, this is again a beautifully comfortable piece by Anouk. By this time I already have, say what, around 8-10 kurtas from Anouk, and I swear by their fabric. Now if you're somebody who is looking forward to wearing 100% cotton stuff, and you're a very that kind of a person who is looking forward to comfort first and then fit, this is a brand, Anouk is a brand I can vouch for. Okay, if you know me personally, try buying some items from Anouk. You would not be regretting it. So this is a black kurta with a lot of maroon printing done. This has got an ajrak feel to it, if you're relating. Okay, I have been particularly wanting to stock up on some ajrak prints lately. So see this kurta, lovely fit. This is again below knee, so this has got a great height to it, guys. See, this is even below my knee, so this has got a great height, don't you think? Yeah, yes, this has got a great height. And besides, you can wear this smartly with a pair of cigarette pants. Okay, you can wear the cigarette pants of off-white color with it, and you are ready to go to office, for a day at office, for going out with your friends, if you're carrying just a simple black leather sling with it, right? Leave your hair open, style it whichever way you want. If you want to tie it, nobody's tying you from tying your hair, right? So with this we end the mini Myntra kurta haul, the first vlog ever from Up Close and Us. Looking forward to your support, people. Looking forward to your opinion. Please do share comments as to what kind of vlogs would you like to see. How can we better ourselves with making vlogs on a regular basis? And a lot of love, respect, and positivity to each one of the viewers who are at the moment subscribed with us. Those who are not subscribed but viewing and helping us in the journey. Okay, so we look forward to keeping you entertained. Signing off, this is me, Shukarna, from Up Close and Us. Bye bye.